Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is an annotated diagram of how two plates converge, particularly the continental crust. Okay, this annotated diagram should help you with the step-by-step explanation when needed in an exam question. So, we start with the continental crust itself. As we know, when they converge, they form four mountains. So you're going to draw them, and you have to make sure that when you're drawing the continental crust, it being folded, it is thick. Yeah, please remember, because when you are comparing it to oceanic crust, continental crust must be thick. So we begin with labeling that this is continental crust. For all plate tectonics formation, we begin our explanation with the convection current in the mantle. Okay, convection current in the mantle. And because this is a convergent plate boundary, you need to elaborate. Pulls two plates together. Yeah, first step of the explanation. Second step of the explanation, as the crust is not dense, it resists subduction. Yeah. We add in the compression forces because that's needed in our explanation for the four mountain. And we last label the process that results in this. Compression forces causes the continental crust to buckle and fold upwards, forming the four mountains. Okay, in the event of an annotated diagram, this should help to a large extent to answer and get as much marks as possible. Definitely there are other things that you can talk about, things such as the sedimentary rock that is softer, easier to fold, but those fall under characteristics. On the process itself, this should be it. Now, when you are asked to draw an annotated diagram and you draw this, in the event you're asked to draw a label diagram, what you would draw is just this, with everything that we just annotated earlier written as a paragraph below. Now, for four mountains, we also want to highlight a couple of things, a few features that you should be familiar with. Number one, when it comes to the folding process itself, as the plates fold, the upfold is called the anticline. Again, this is a recap. The bottom fold will be called syncline. In a context where both the compression is happening evenly, this should be it. But where the compression is stronger on one side over the other, the anticline can go above the syncline.